That's a cool AC cooler system you have going to the amp. I bet you that helps. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh, the HP40 J-Wise, nice. That's a cool AC cooler system you have going to the amp. I bet you that helps. Yeah.
To the back.
All right. So what's your name real quick, man, and what else in here?
It's Alen.
Alen, okay. These are the ZV518s. Ooh. How much power and battery electrical you have?
I got two HP40s, brand new. They've only been in about a week, of course.
Yep.
I got a limit of 70. I'm running two JS 370s under the hood.
Yep. Wow. Have you metered it yet?
Not the new situation here. So
Yeah.
I had them on the back wall. I think last time you did
Yep.
the vid was on the back wall. So they're probably a little louder one I did have. That was around 59 or so.
Yep. Okay.
So I can burp them into the 60s pretty
Yep.
easy.
All right. Ruckus is good.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you for the demo. What was your name again?
Alan.
Alan. Jacob. Appreciate it, Alan.
No problem.
Hey, you have a fun day, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
Stay cool. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.